Hello everyone, good to have you again. I'm so happy to have you again. It's your girl Beauty by LQM. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channels. My returnees, I appreciate you. You're awesome. Thank you for coming constantly. And to my newbies, oh my god, you are welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming. If you're yet to join the family, you know what? Click the subscription button, thumbs up, and comment below. So today I'm creating this glam look. It's not like the ordinary kind of look. So this look I'm going to spice up with a lot of color here and there. So basically I have prepped her skin off camera. I have a video on that, so you can check out the video and watch how I prep my model or my client's skin. Now I went in with the foundation, and the foundation is Maybelline Stay Matte Foundation in color number 345. It's a matte foundation, like I said earlier in my previous video. I'm using the foundation brush to apply it into the skin. So you don't want to rush the process. Yes, you have to be fair. You don't want to rush the process. Then you start little by little. When you're done blending in the other side, you move to the next side. It's very important you do that. So right now, I'll be going in with my beauty blender, the beauty sponge, just to smoothen out the product into her skin and to have the airbrush kind of finishing. Yes, my hand looks fast, but honestly it's not that fast as you think. Then I'm using this Revolution concealer. I've forgotten the shade. I'll drop it in the description box. So what I'm doing is I'm highlighting her face with the lighter foundation, so I'm just blending it into her skin. Then doing the under the eyes, you want to ask your model, your client, or even on your face, you have to look up. If you're working on other people, you have to ask them to look up to the ceiling, so you'll be able to blend the product into her skin perfectly without leaving any possible harsh line. So done with the highlighting process, I'm going in to snatch her face. I'm doing this using Black Opal cream foundation in hazelnut. If you're my regular subscriber, like you're a returnee, you will know that I love working with cream foundation or cream products for my contouring because it's very easy to blend. It does not dry up, that's why I basically use it. So what I'm doing is just to snatch the area I want to hide. Then I'm coming to the nose. So see the way I'm tracing it down to the beginning of her brows, just to give it that beautiful effect. So done with applying the product or placing the product, I'm going in with my beauty sponge. I'll drop the link below for you to purchase the sponge. I'm just going in with the beauty sponge just to blend out any possible harsh line. So I'm going in with this setting powder. I'll drop the name in the description box. So using this brush, I picked the product. I'm applying it into her skin directly. So I'm not baking right now. I'm only setting it into her skin. So I'm just setting the area I apply the concealer. That's more like the area light will hit. Okay, this particular setting powder I'm using, this is the first time I'm using it. I just got it recently. I've heard a lot of review about it for a very long time. I usually use my black opal setting powder, but I just want to use it to see what it feels like. I'm going in with her exact powder shade. That's Milani in Milani medium. I love Milani a lot. So I'm just using it all over her face to set her entire face. So I'm going in with a darker powder just to set the contoured area. So that's more like further snatching her face. So you just want to like blend in. It's important. So I'm doing the same thing on the nose, but I'm using a shade lighter than the one I use for the outer perimeters of her face, because you wouldn't want the nose highlight to be so pumpy. So off camera, I applied a blush. I set her entire face together, and because now it's time for the eyeshadow, I had to apply the same setting powder again. So I'm applying it underneath her eyes, so when I apply the powder, the eyeshadow, it will fall on her skin. So this is more like when I'm baking, Sorry guys, I did my brow off camera. I have a brow tutorial on my page. You can check that out, but I'm also planning to do my updated brows tutorial. What I applied is a benign clown white. I use it as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm using a fluffy brush just to blend it. And you could be wondering why I'm placing my hand there. What I'm doing is that her eye area is quite small. So for me to apply the product perfectly into her eye area, I have to place my hand there just to raise it up, so I'll be able to apply product that will be, so that there won't be any cracky effect on the eyes, just to achieve a smooth, even eyeshadow. And because I love working with matte eyeshadows a lot, so that's basically what I'm doing. So because of the color I want to do underneath the eyes, I decided to go with a total nude eyes. So from the same eyeshadow palette I'm using, I just pick a light pink eyeshadow just to accentuate her brow bone. So guys, are you feeling this color? Are you feeling this color? I just thought of it and I decided to create this look, you know, just a bit different from the norm. This will be more suitable for a runway look. Okay, so more like an editorial look. Had to dust off camera. So right now, using a smaller brush, you want to have everywhere looking neat. So that's what I did. Touching the blush again. Like seriously guys, I love blushing. Like I love the rosy effect it gives when the client smile, when I top up my highlighter, the way it comes. Like I don't even know, like I love blush. So for those who doesn't like brush, I think one of the issues is the application. So if you're able to know how to apply blush, I bet you will not go out without applying blush on your makeup. So makeup requires lots and lots of blending. So this is the lash time. I'm just placing the lash. So what I did is I had to measure the lash, okay, then apply the lash glue, then I place it down. I use the artificial lash to press down her natural lash. So what I'm doing is to press it together so that there will be seamless entry. So don't worry guys, I'm thinking of doing a how to apply eyeliner. I'm thinking of doing that, a tutorial on that, but I'm looking for a model who doesn't tear, so it will be easy for us to film. Time for the mascara. I don't want the mascara to stain the green under eyes, so I had to use the blade pack just to cover it. And I also did the lip off camera. I'm going to drop a tutorial on that, on how to do the lips or how I achieved this particular lip. I also have a tutorial on a lip tutorial. So wonderful people, what do you think? And this is what we achieved. Like wow, I'm feeling it. So I really appreciate you for coming to my channel always. My returnees, you're awesome. And my newbies, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to do so if you're here to do that. See you, bye.